This is my updated bike check of my Fit Trail 3. I have the stock bars, Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips, Odyssey mono lever, Odyssey linear cable, Animal jump off stem in blue. Stock forks, stock front rim with the Fit FAF 2.25, stock impact headset, some kind of thing I cut off my sister's computer, works great at holding my cable, my 2010 two-hip pivotal seat, and not sure what kind of seat pole it is. I put my stock crank back on because the Redline device crank was skipping and it was like doo-doo, so I'm not going to run it no more. My S&M 101 pedals, the Shadow Crank and Bones chain wheel with the stock mid bottom bracket bearings, KMC chain, and my Black Sheep laced to a premium hub back rim with a Odyssey 2.20 dirt path tire. And that's my bike.